welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Jamaican style curry crab, and with this recipe I guarantee you'll be licking at 10 fingers. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here I have all the ingredients that I'll be using today. Let me just show you everything, then I'll break it down and tell you how much of what I'm using and what I'm using. So here I have 2 carrots, I have 3 green onions, I have half of an onion, 4 potatoes, and you know we can't forget our Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm using the green one because this makes the dish more flavorful. I have 3 pegs of garlic, some ginger right here, thyme, and I have these mini bell peppers, you know, to make the dish more colorful. And then I have some salt. This is a mixture of seasoning. In here I have black pepper, chicken seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. Here I have my curry powder, and adding some shrimp to this to make it, you know, make the dish more pop. Then I have coconut milk, some corns, and then last but not least is our crabs. And these some good, nice, tasty crabs. Can't wait for this dish to be finished. Another thing that I'm going to add to my curry crab is some dumplings, and to make the dumplings I use 1/4 cup of flour and less than 1/4 cup of cornmeal with a pinch of salt. Let's say like half teaspoon or less than half of a teaspoon. So I'm going to add some water to this and begin to mix it with my hands. So let's do that. You know, in Jamaica we add dumplings to our curry crab, but if you're making curry crab and this is your first time, you don't have to add dumplings. You can just add the other ingredients that I showed you. The dumplings are optional, but I like them in my curry crab. It tastes really good, especially when the dumpling soaks up that gravy. Oh wow. So you're going to be licking your 10 fingers. Let me just add a little bit more water to that. I'll just do it in my hands so that the cornmeal and the flour and everything can blend out together. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this into a bowl. And this is what I have, and that's it. All right, so now I'm going to turn on my stove and I'm going to bring it to high heat. My pot. Then I'm just going to add some oil to it, a good amount, you know. And then once it's hot, I'll add my curry powder and my other ingredients. So the oil is hot and ready. So now I'm just going to add the onions and the scallions and the peppers. So I have it all here. I'm just going to add it to the oil. Let's just let the curry burn a little bit. Okay, I think it's burning up now. So I'm just going to go in and add these. As soon as these have been sauteed a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut milk and then add the dumplings, because the dumplings, they take long to cook. They take the longest to be cooked, so I'll add them first. Then a few minutes after, I'll add the corns, then the crabs. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut milk. And I'm also going to add some water. Not much, just a little bit. So I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit before I add the dumplings. So I've been letting this simmer for the past 5 minutes. And before I add the dumplings, I'm going to go in with my thyme and or powdered seasoning. You don't have to season the pot. And the salt. Just mix all of that together. Ooh, this looks good already. And I haven't even added the crabs as yet. Alright, so I feel like I've mixed this long enough. Now I'm going to add the dumplings. I'm just going to break a little piece from it, roll it like this. Then I'm going to use my thumb and press into the middle, meanwhile moving it into a circular motion. So just like this. I'm going to do the same thing with the others. Just roll it, use my thumb and press into it. Wow, moving it into a circular motion. These dumplings did not graduate, okay? They did not went to any college and get a degree. I've seen that TikTok thing. These are just regular dumplings, guys. Alright, so I'm just going to let that cook for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add my corns. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my corns. Wait a minute, okay. And just let that cook for another 5 minutes before I add the crabs in it. Oh my god, guys, this looks so delicious. Woo. The crabs are not even in yet, and it looks so good, and it smells really good too. This gives your kitchen a nice fragrance. I don't know, it smells really good. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells really, really good. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimps, then my crabs. Ooh. The shrimp is acting like it doesn't want to come out. This is the crabs. Just going to add them one by one. Alright, so the crab is almost finished cooking. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the potatoes as well as the carrots. So I'm just going to cut them in half, just like that, and just add it to it. Ooh, this is going to be so good. Now with my carrots, I'm just going to put it like this in circles. Don't want to cut it too thin because you don't want it to mash out in the pot. So like this size, you see, thick enough to just get cooked and not turn into like mashed potato. Alright, so now it is finished. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off the stove. Oh, this looks so good, guys. So I checked the potatoes already, and the potatoes are cooked. You can eat this as it is, or you can eat it with rice or with bread. For me, I'm going to go in with some rice. Guys, y'all know how long I haven't had curry crabs. Oof. I don't even know how excited I am.